The newest, the brightest, the shiniest. We've all been there, right? Lured by the sparkle of the latest tech toy. Hey everyone! It's the Octet channel. So, you remember that feeling when you unwrapped your latest tech gadget? Oh, the excitement, the joy. But here's a question. Is it really what we need? From wearables to virtual realities, from smart homes to AI chatbots, technology is advancing at lightning speed. But today, we're diving deep and asking, are our tech choices truly serving us? Or is it time for a major rethink? Here's James's comment. I mean, I love my smartwatch, but do I really need to know my heart rate every second? And here is Heather's comment. I have like 5 home assistants, but honestly, I use them mostly for the weather. See, the thing is, in the rush to get the latest and greatest, we sometimes overlook what's truly important. Studies suggest that the average person uses only about 40% of the tech features they pay for. That's like buying a car and only using 2 wheels. And here's another thought. Are these tech choices enhancing our lives or complicating them? Here's Wendy's comment. Every time there's an update, I feel like I have to relearn how to use my phone. I've got so many apps, I forget what half of them do. It's not just about wasted money, but wasted time and energy too. We're sacrificing our well-being on the altar of modern tech. Remember when tech was supposed to be a tool? A way to enhance our real-world experiences, not replace them? It's time to ask the hard questions. Do we control our tech or does it control us? Are we making conscious choices or just following the tech hype? It's time to rethink our relationship with technology. To make choices that truly enrich our lives. Let's not just chase the new, let's chase the meaningful. After all, the best tech should make our human experiences better, not overshadow them. Thanks for joining me today. Let's make smarter tech choices together. And remember, it's okay to press pause and rethink. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected. Peace.